Fix in 5. P0271. P0271 means the fuel injector on cylinder 1 isn't receiving proper elect. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light MIL, illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, rough idle on cylinder 3, verify with test drive, note RPM stability, cylinder 3 misfire under acceleration, verify with live data PID for fuel injector pulse width and ignition timing, hesitation or stumble during acceleration, verify with test drive in various load conditions. Now the most likely causes: contaminated or failing fuel injector cylinder 3. Resistance typically shifts above 16 ohms or injector fails to open consistently. Damaged wiring or loose connector on injector circuit. Open circuit detected by ECU. Typically 14 plus omega resistance or voltage drop. Fuel supply pressure below specification. Typically 45 to 60 psi at idle. Below 40 psi impairs injection pattern across all cylinders. What does it cost? Roughly €45 120 doing it yourself, or €150 280 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Clean fuel injector 4 using fuel system cleaner or professional service. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness at injector 4 connector. Replace fuel injector 4 if electrical resistance out of specification. Replace fuel injector driver module or repair PCM circuit if faulty. The scanner and part side use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0271 myself DIY? Some repairs associated with P0271 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0271. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.